All the leaves are brown, leaves are brown, and the sky is gray, and the sky is gray. I've been for a while on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm, be safe and warm if I was in LA. If I was in LA, California dreaming on such a winter's day.
So you're wondering what it means to be an extinctable?
Yes.
Well, I'm afraid the answer starts with the unthinkable.
Years ago, we almost died, but lucky for us, Dr. Chugga arrived.
He brought us here where it's safe and warm and sheltered us from nature's storm. I think he means extinction. Probably.
Now we call this strange place home, and honestly, prefer not to roam.
We know staying here feels like a crime.
When we can explore any place in time.
Like Fort BC or NYC, Tokyo, Greece, or the Pyrenees.
Maybe visit Pompeii before winter rubble.
No, but what is that worth the trouble?
The world's full of danger, and life isn't fair, so you can kill time here, or time will kill you out there.
There's plague and famine, germs by the pound, virus and disease, no cure to be found.
There's wars and swords and tyrants abound.
Aliens, Bigfoot, the earth isn't round.
Burn. Get crushed, blown up, or fall deathly ill.
Or stay safe here, where time stands still.
For the world's full of danger, and life isn't fair, so you can kill time here, or time will kill you out there.
The bulldog rat, the Aztec cat, giant goose and the great stag goose, the large sloth beaver, the Pleistocene fever, the Russian retriever, guys, of which you could have seen it, cause no matter the name, they're all out of the game. It's a Japanese sea lion crying shame. It could happen any